Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your app language from Chinese to English. So I don't think I can change it to Chinese, like the language, because it's not available, but I'm just gonna change it into a different language first just to show you guys. I'm going to change it in Japanese, so I can show you it's simple to change the language. So first you're going to want to update the app. You can either do it up here or when you're in a project. So I'm just going to open up a project for you guys. Select this tab up here where I'm showing, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 down. Then you're going to find the one with the 1.10. This shows the version of your CapCut. So select that and select this. And I've already updated, so I can't click on anything else. But if you haven't, you're just going to select this, and it's going to scan if you need to update, and you're going to just update your app. Then to change the actual language, you're going to go up here again. And you're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. And you're going to go to the very right of the sort of tab. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to go to the 4th tab. Select the language and click this blue button over here. And select the blue button again. And after that, that's it. You now have your CapCut in English. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!